Hello everyone, in this video we cover the multistage graph problem. So this is the question. In a multistage graph with the three stages, stage 1, 2, 3, where each stage has a node connected to the next stage. With the given cost, find the shortest path from stage 1 to stage 3. So here stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 is given. Stage 1 and M1, M2 node is present. On stage 2, N1 and 2 stage node is present, and in stage 3, 01, O1 and O2 node is present, and this is the transaction scene. But here costs are not given. We assume this cost for solving this problem. First we draw here stage 1, 2 and 3. So nodes are M1, M2, N1, N2, O1, O2. So these are the stages where nodes are the present. Now here transaction are the seen. The cost means M1 reach N1 and N2. So M1 first reach N1 and N2, and let's suppose cost is 4 and 2. Now this M2 reach M2 to N1 and N2, N1 and N2. Let's suppose the cost is 1 and 3. Now on stage 2, N1. So this N1 reach 0, 1 and 0, 2. So N1 go 0, 1, 0, 2, and let's suppose cost is 6 and 5. This N2 reach 0, 1 and 0, 2 again. 0, 1 and 0, 2. And now all the transaction we draw here. Now we find out the solution. So here no specific any root or starting or initial node is mentioned. So first we want to find out from stage 1 to stage 3 which is the minimum cost. So in stage 1 two nodes are the present. So here draw first, this is the 1 for the stage. We start from stage 1. So for this one and this M1 is the node. So meaning of this bracket is in stage 1 M1 is the present, and here in stage 1 M2 is also present. So here we draw two graphs, first for the M1 and second for the M2. Now this M1 reach in the second stage N1 and on the second stage N2. So again we divide this. First this M1 reach 2 and N1, second stage and N1 node, second stage and N2 node, second stage and N2 node. Same for here M2, second node and N1, second node and N2, N1, 2 and N2. This is the stage, this is the node. Now again this 2 N1. In the second stage, this N1 divided into again 0, 1 and 0, 2, which is present in third stage. So again we divide this. In this third stage, it reach first 0, 1, and in this third stage 0, 2. Again here same, N2 reach third number stage and 0, 1, third number stage and 0, 2. So 3, 0, 1 and 3, 0, 2. Same for here 3 and 0, 1, 3 and 0, 2. We see here this second number stage and N1 reach third number stage and 0, 1 and 0, 2. Same for these also 3, 0, 1, 3, 0, 2. So now this 0, 1 and 0, 2 not reach anywhere, so we stop here. Now we write here cost. So cost of this 3 and 0, 1 means from this n1 to 01 the cost is 6. This n1 to 01 cost is 6. So we write here plus 6. This n1 to O2 cost is 5. So we write here 5. n2 to O2 cost is 1. So we write here plus, this is 1 is the, if not here, the cost is 4, let's suppose. So this plus 4. Now 02 to n2 to 02 cost is 2 plus 2. Same n1 to O1 cost is 6. n1 to O2 cost is 4. n2 to O1 n2 to O1 cost is 4 and 2. 4 and 2. We add this. Now from this 6 to 5, which is the smallest? So this 5 is the smallest. So transfer this 5 in upper stage. So here we transfer 5 plus 5. From this 2, which is the smallest? This 2 is smallest. So we transfer this 2 plus 2. We transfer here. From this 4 is the smallest. Transfer the plus 4. And here 2 is the smallest. Transfer this 2. Here plus 2. But now again we find out the cost here. So m1 to n1 cost is 4. So here 4. m1 to n2 cost is 2. m2 to n1 cost is 1. m2 to n2 cost is 3. So this 1 and 3. So here we transfer this 5. So 5 plus 4 we get 9. This 5 we transfer up. So this 5, because this is the smallest from this 2. 5 plus value of this bracket is 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. Same for here. 2 plus this 2, 4. So value is 4. This plus 2 we transfer here and value of this bracket is 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. Same for here. This plus 4 from this third number stage, and this plus 1 is the value of this bracket. So plus 4 plus 1, 5. So here is the 5 is new one. Now this 2 plus 2 is transferred from this stage. So plus 2 and plus 3 we get 5. Here we made one mistake. Here n1 to O2 value is 5, not 4. Here is the 5. So from this 6 to 5 value is 5 is the smallest. Now 5 plus 1, 6. So here is the value 6 and here is the 5. Now we get two new value for this two bracket. One is 9, second one is 4. So 9, from this 9 and 4, which is the smallest? 4 is smallest. So transfer this 4 here. So this bracket value is 4. Now this 6 and 5, the value 5 is the smallest. Transfer here. So here 5 is the value of this bracket. So we get here from this M1 stage 1 and start from this M1. If we start here, then we get minimum cost 4 to reach this stage number 3, and the and we choose path this M1 to N1, then N1 to O2, because this 5 transfer from this O2. So the cost for the value of the graph is 4, and the answer, we want to find out the shortest path from stage 1 to stage 3. So we choose this M1 from the stage number 1 because the cost is low. Now how we which path we cover? M1 to N1 and N1 to O2, because this smallest value come from here O2. Then we get the value 4, and here is the 9. So we choose this 4, and this 4 we transfer here. So this N1 to N2, N2 to O2. So minimum cost is 4 and path is M1 to N1 to O2. If the cost of this graph is smallest, then we choose this, and which values are the smallest we choose from the next stage, go through that values and put the nodes how we visit one by one. So I hope all you get idea about this question. Now next question is, given a multi-stage graph with 4 stages where each node in a stage is connected to the nodes in a next stage with a specific cost. Find the shortest path from the source node in a stage 1 to sneak node stage 4. So here the cost is not given, only transaction and the stages of the node are the given. We assume as usual any cost for each node. So here stage 1 AB is present, on stage 2 CD present, on stage 3 EF present, and stage 4 GH is present, and transaction is A to CD, B to CD, C to EF, D to EF, E to GH, and F to GH. We draw it. So first we draw all these stages. So total 4 stages are present, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 stages. In first stage A and B is present, A and B is present. In stage 2 C and D is present. On 3 E and F is present, and in 4 G and H is present. Now this A read C and D, and the cost is not mentioned in the question. We assume this is the 5 and this is the 8. Here in question you see A read CD. Now B is also read CD. B read C D. Cost is 7 and 6 and 7. Now this C read E and F. E and F. D also read E and F. Now next also E read G and H. F is also read G and H. Values are here 4 and 3, 2 and 5. You assume any value, it's okay, because in question not mention any values. 4, here 3 and 8. So let's we start to solve it. So as it is, we start from the stage 1 to stage 4. Now again 2 possibilities. One is we start from A or we start from B. So let's, here we draw for 1 and A, and here we draw for 1 and B. First is the stage and second is the node. Now again this A read 2C and 2D, second stage, and C is the node, D is the node. So 2C 2D. Same. This B read 2C 2D. 2C 2D. Now this C read 3E and 3F, third stage, and E and F are the node. So 3E and 3F. This D also 3E 3F, 3E 3F. Same for this 2C read EF, 2D read EF, 3E 3F, 3E 3F. Now this 3E, third stage, third node, read 4G, fourth stage, G is the node. and 4H. So we draw here 4G 4H. Same for here 4G 4H. We see here 3F third stage 4F node did 4G 4H. 4G 4H 4G 4H. Write for all this 3F because here 3F is present, here is also 3F present, and values 4G 4H. So here for this also because 3H 4G only simply we write here this 4G and 4H because each transaction of this E and F go for this 4G and 4H. So now we completed. Now write here cost for each. Now E to G cost is 7, E to H cost is 4. So 7 and 4. Where E to G transaction is, we write directly 4F. Here is also E to G, E to H. E to G 7, E to H 4. E to G 7, E to H 4. Now F to G, F to H. F to G 3, F to H 8. So 3 8, 3 8, 3 8, and here is also 3 8. Now we see, first we find out all the cost, then we transfer the transaction. So now here C to E, C to E cost is 4, C to F cost is 3. So 4, and for this 3, C to E 4, C to E 4, and C to F 3. D to E 2, D to F 5. So 2 5. Same how transaction we write here, same for here because C to E and C to F we see. So 4 5, and here 2 5. Now we see A to C and A to D. A to C 5, A to D 8, B to C 6, B to D 7. Now for this bracket we find out at the end the minimum cost. So from this 7 and 4, 4 is the smallest. From this 2, 3 is the smallest. From this 4 is smallest. From this 2, 3 is smallest. 4 smallest, 3 smallest. From this 2, 4 is smallest. From this 2, 3 is the smallest. Now this 4 transfer for the second stage. So this 4 plus 4 cost is 8. 3 plus 3 cost is 6. This 4 we transfer here, and the cost of this bracket is 4. So 4 plus 4 8. Smallest value is 3. 3 we transfer here. So 3, and cost of this bracket is 3. So 3 plus 3 6. Same for here. 4 is the smallest, transfer 4. Cost is 2. So 4 plus 2 6. Now 3 transfer up. So 3 plus 5 we get 8. 4 plus 4 8. Then 3 plus 5. This 3 is the smallest, values of this bracket is 5. So 3 plus 5 8. Now 7 plus 2 6. 4 plus 2 6. 3 plus 5 8. Here not 5, here is the value of 3. C to F, see here. C to F value is 3. So 3 plus this 3, the value is 6. from this 3 and 8, 3 is smallest transfer to the next stage. So value of this is 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6. Now same procedure from this. Now 8 and 6, which is the smallest? 6 is the smallest, transfer here 6. So 6 plus 5, the cost of this 2 and c is 5, so 6 plus 5 we get 11, so 11. Now again see, from this 6 and 8, 6 is the smallest. Now this 6 plus 8 we get 14. This 6 plus 8 we get 14. Here from this 8 and 6, 6 is the smallest. Now this 6 plus 6, we transfer this 6 up. Then now this 6 plus 6, 12. So we get value is 12. Now from again same 6, from this 6 and 8, 6 is the smallest, transfer here. So here we transfer this 6, and 6 plus 7 we get 13. Now 4 new values we get here: 11, 14, 12 and 13. So which is the smallest? From these two, 11 is the smallest. 13 and 12, 12 is the smallest. Now from this two, 11 is the smallest. So the minimum cost is 11, and we start from this A. We find out the smallest value to reach this stage number 4. How we go? This A read smallest value from this 2, and which is the smallest? 11 we read. So we visit here C. So C read which smallest value from this 2? This 6. So we visit here F. So A to first we visit C, because this value of C we assume smallest, and we add this. Now from this stage we add the value of F. So we now from C to F we visit. This F reads smallest value from this G. So G, and cost is 11. I hope all you get idea about the question, and if any query, then let me know in the comment box.